Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So izolo nibabonile abadlali abasha beOrlando Pirates begqoke inamba zabo izintsha. Orlando Pirates izolo ikhipha umbiko izo-update abantu, izo-update ama-fans regarding ama-numbers wabadlali abasha abafikile. Njengoba nimbonayo bafethu, Osuna Police uyena mdlali osogqoka unumber 12 ku-Orlando Pirates. Asazi maybe lokho kuzoshintsha in the future, but okwamanje uMjida uyena ogqoka unumber 12. I hope ke le number le izomsebenzisa uMjida uzokora amagoli amaningi njengoba ekorile nje izolo wathola ne-man of the match. Mase kuthi uMasterchef yena bafethu ugqoka bani unumber 23. Simbonile ke izolo uMjida ehlikihla ngempela ibhola ethi kulithi kule season abantu basazophela with the new number 23. I hope le number le bafethu izo boost confidence yakhe uMjida aqhubeke adlale yabo. Kodwa vele unayo confidence, angazi ngikhuluma ngani, unayo confidence lo Mjida, indlela libamba ngakhona ibhola, indlela licela ngakhona ibhola. Ngeke uzuyitshela ukuthi lo Mjida lo usanovalo lokuthi uyafika ku-Orlando Pirates. Akanalo uvalo lokuthi uyafika. Yabo, udlala nje uyayi-understand i-pressure ye-big club. Maningi ama-big clubs asewadlalelile uMjida, so you-understand that pressure. Yanela Mbuthuma nje wanimbona lapha emuva, is another player othola inamba entsha bafethu, uzogqoka unumber 9. Le number leyade kuyinamba yazakhelele pasa esizogqoka ubani, uYanela Mbuthuma. Seems like Orlando Pirates imthemba ngempela, imnikeza inamba ibaleka kanje phela. I-striker mesogqoka unumber 9 kuleyo club, leso striker suye sibaleka kakhulu, so uYanela Mbuthuma must use that number. I-striker nje eyikhona emhlabeni jikelele igqoka unumber 9. I-striker zangempela ke lezo, so uYanela Mbuthuma kumele enze sure ukuthi leyo number leya uyiphatha with respect and uyawakora amagoli ekumele awakora. Nimbonile ke izolo, ngangitshela ama-comments regarding his performance izolo against iPolokwane City, but ke nimbonile uMjida izolo. Njengoba nimbona nje isithombeni bafethu, uTsepo Mashiliyoni uzogqoka inamba leyade igqokwa uMonyane. uMonyane was wearing unumber 2 ku-Orlando Pirates. Tsepo Mashiliyoni, the player that we signed from iBaroka bafethu, who plays as a right back, uzogqoka unumber 2 kaMonyane, which is a good thing for him. Yabo akafuna ucomplete cater kakhulu izinto, he will take over the position yayidlala vele uMonyane, same as inamba yakhe uMonyane. Mariko bafethu Marikana, ngemqambo Marikana kuMjida indlela adlala ngakhona. Kule season nje sobona iMarikana football. uMjida bafethu ugqoka unumber 32. Unumber 32 uyadlala ngempela lo Mjida lokuningi azosinikeza kona kule season. Bukele indlela ajabula ngakhona uSihlenduli uhappy ubona into eyenziwa uMariko mfethu, uMarikana mfethu, ushaya no look pass. Uyozoshaya i-debut ku-Orlando Pirates, ushaya ama no look pass. uMjida mfethu ngawuthanda afika indlela adlala ngakhona, ugqoka number 32. Sihlenduli ke another player uthola inamba entsha bafethu, ugqoka unumber 30 yena. Yabo, beyitshela ukuthi uSihlenduli uzogqoka number 4 ku-Orlando Pirates because we saw him wearing number 4 kuma pre-season games, but ke it looks like uzogqoka number 30 kule season ezoqala. Sazi ukuthi uba uzogqoka number 4 kule season entsha ezoqala. Tsepang Morem bafethu, another new player uqhamukile ku-Orlando Pirates yena uzogqoka number 11. We saw him playing yesterday. You can tell me about his performance yesterday, but he's the new number 11 ku-Orlando Pirates. I hope le number leyo uzoyisebenzisa. The last player who number 11 was uGilberto. Yabo, Gilberto bafethu, we saw him last season. He didn't give us that thing. Yabo, right now akabuyanga kwi-Betway Premiership, akekho la, simlone back kwi-Petro de Luanda. I think now uTladisa wayigqoka le number le, if I'm not mistaken. Angazi ko uTladisa yiphi number sezoyigqoka right now because uTsepang Morem usewuthathile number 11. Sibelebele is another signing against Orlando Pirates who will wear number 36. Jide uzogqoka number 36 bafethu. I'm waiting to see this guy edlala ku-Orlando Pirates. I'm really waiting for him. Abantu abaningi abamazi sibelebele bafethu. This is a good player. This guy is a good player. Many people don't know him, but I do know him. I do know this guy. Athi ngaqala ukumlandela. The former Marumo Gallants player bafethu na Masindi Nemtajela uzogqoka number 15 ku-Orlando Pirates. He will wear the number 15 jersey kwezimnyama ngenkani. I hope le number leyo uyisebenzisa kahle uMjida. Umunye wabadlali engifuna ukumbona ukuthi usiphathelini lo. Umunye nje wabadlali because i-signing yakhe didn't make sense to me at that time, but ke angifuna ukubona ukuthi kahle kahle yini asiphathele uMjida because so far yena angazi ukuthi yini angasiphathelayo. Yes, abanye abantu bangasho ukuthi uyadlala uMjida. I didn't really follow him that much kwi-Marumo Gallants uMjida, but ke I want to see ukuthi yini ngempela siphathele yona bafethu. Another signing bafethu, uSinoxolo Kwayiba, we signed this guy from Chippa United. Sinoxolo Kwayiba ke na uzogqoka unumber 29 kweLorlando Pirates iyona number yakhe entsha azoyisebenzisa naye ungomunye wabadlali engijahe kakhulu ukumbona because lo mjida lo indlela ayidlala ngakhona kuChippa United even kuBafana Bafana yabo you can see ukuthi is that player okwazi ukudlala ibhola. So I'm waiting to see him games asowadlala next week. We are playing against iSikhukhune, so abadlali abasha kumele babe ready bafethu lo babe ready akusesiyona pre-season right now. Izinto seyiqalile games aseqalile kumele kushizilwe ngempela. Kosikhona Ndaba uzogqoka unumber 3 uzogqoka unumber 3 okuyinamba ebigqoka ubani bekuyinamba ebigqoka uVan Rooyen. I don't know kwenzakaleni ngoVan Rooyen yiphi number sazoyiqoka right now, but ke Nkosikhona Ndaba will wear the new number 3. Isigning engayibalanga bafethu uLebo CM. uLebo CM ngizwe kuthiwa umjidi uzogqoka number 33. Yabo uyena uzogqoka number 33. So iwona ke ama players lawa anikezwe inamba ezintsha. Ungangitshela ama comments yipi iplayer ojahe ukuyibona kwezimnyama. Yipi iplayer ojahe ukuyibona kulama player ongakwabona idlala. Yipi iplayer ufuna ukujahe ukuyibona idlala like uconvince ukuthi kahle kahle yini asiphathele yona. Mina ngokwami ngijahe ukubona Kwayiba, ngijahe ukubona uSibelebele. Those players yes abanye badlalile yes but ngijahe ukubona labo mina. Yabo maningi ama signings esiwenzile kule season, but those two signings for me I feel like now bazo impressa njengoba asona Police benosipho Mbuli noNduli ba impressile izolo, but ke ngifuna ukubona labo two so far. Phela kunabadlali abangakadlali bakhona noNdaba bakadlali Mashiliyoni nabo bakakadlali, so we need to see these new players bedlala ngempela besikhombisa ukuthi basiphatheleni.